for taking the time to speak with us today, sir.
Glad, I'm happy.
Yes, sir.
I would like to take such more sessions anytime you need.
Our pleasure, sir. Sir, as an industry expert, as you are coming from the industry, so what do you expect from students who just graduated now and eager to have opportunity in industry?
First and foremost thing is students should have this zeal of what is needed in the industry, and we are always there to bridge that gap. I wanted people to have that zeal and what is there in the industry,
Yes,
and if they have that knowledge, and for sure I'm pretty confident, and obviously
Yes,
they
sir.
have that skills and other things,
Yes, sir.
can certainly be successful getting
Yes,
jobs.
sir.
That zeal is only very important.
Yes, sir. So next, what skills and projects do you explore, or are you expected for the students who just graduated?
Skills wise, I suggest technical skills can anytime be learned.
Yes, sir.
Basic technical skills are needed within whatever the thing.
Yes.
And most importantly, when they go to jobs, okay, the innovation, the thought process,
Yes, sir.
and the agility and quick learning plays a very important role.
Yes, sir.
Once when they have these options, obviously you go to industry, technical can be trained, but zeal when he has, you'll be able to make it.
Sir, as an industry expert, what insights you give to us Vignan students who are eager to join the industry and have a better future in it?
Okay. See, as I told, and most important today in the industry is the skill and the zeal for them to learn. So what I would recommend is start searching for water in sand, in sea if possible, in dry land if possible. When you start doing it, you will know how to quench water, and you can swim in water, you can do whatever it is. As simple as this.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Glad I'm happy.
It's our pleasure to meet you, sir.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.